What is ear training and why should I study it? Hey there, I'm Christian Scott and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about ear training. Ear training is how musicians learn to identify intervals, chord qualities, rhythms, and more just by hearing. And why is it important? Frankly, my dear, for all the reasons. Ear training improves relative pitch, helps you to break down songs you hear on the radio, organize sounds in your head when writing music, and so much more. There really are no shortcuts to ear training. It takes time, practice, more practice, and patience. As a music major, I spent hours a day developing my ear, but you can see gains after only a few minutes a day. So what do you need to get started? Lucky for you, there are great free apps that are excellent for practice on the go, like tonedeer.com, musictheory.net, and Tonal Energy Tuner. There are plenty more you can pay for, but the free ones work just as well to get you started. It's never too late to get your ears in shape. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Remember to give yourself a little grace, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Class dismissed.